Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today we'll discuss about the bluebell vine or blue pea or butterfly pea. This is called Aparajita. That is, no one can defeat you if you grow this plant in your home. And this is the big source of positive energy, positive vibe in your home. And they'll discard all your negative energy and evil vibes from your home. So this is the very, very holy flower. This is very auspicious flower you must grow in your home. And if you grow one or two plants in your home whole the year, you can get every day you can get 20 to 30 flowers, and these are all used for puja rituals, especially for Ma Durga or Krishna or Mahadev Shiv. Mahadev Shiv is very, very fond of this flower, this blue pea vine or blue pea or butterfly pea. So I'll tell you the which pot is the best. 8-inch to 10-inch pot is the best for growing these plants. If you want, you can use 6-inch plant also. This is the white flower. You can see this is single petal. This is the double petal. So whenever you grow blue pea or butterfly pea, so you have to erect trellis or you have to grow machan or erect machan, so that all the vines you can grow. This is the branch you can see here. You have to tie knots here, so that you can take lots of branches from here, and they will be in total shape, so that, and you can see lots of flowers every day. They will bloom, and all your puja rituals will be served with this. And this is the holy flower, and I'll tell you, so this is also medicinal, herbal medicinal plants also. And from this flower you can prepare blue pea tea. This is the blue pea tea best flower. And this is also called Krishna Kanta or Vishnu Kanta or Aparajita. This is the single petal, or you can get double petal also. They comes in special color, especially in white, blue, or this violet color, or sometimes you can get in pink color or red color also. And the price is very, very less, and if you want, you can get it in 20 to 25 rupees. 15 to 20 rupees for single petal, and 20 to 25 rupees double petal plants you can buy from the nurseries. And if you don't find any plants here, you just buy some seeds anywhere from the nursery, and you can grow in the month of February, March, April. These 3 months are the best for growing Aparajita from seeds. I'll tell you today how to grow from seeds. And if you see some of the seed pods here, dried seed pods, just you can collect. Many of the people ask me that this double petal they do not grow any seeds, but today I'll show you there are lots of seeds in my plants. And this violet color plant we have also grown from the seeds, so easily you can grow. You can get after drying up all the seed pods. You just collect the seeds from here, and after drying up properly you can grow. So this is the plant, and after drying up the seed pods develops, and in 1.5 month you can see these kinds of seed pods develop, and in 1.5 month they are all total dry up. Just collect the seed pods from here, and this is the seed pods, dried seed pods here. This is the dried seed pods I am collecting from here. After collecting from seeds, how to grow and how to develop the plants, all you can see in this my single video. And this is the pots I have collected, and after collection of the seeds you can grow in any of the soil media, maybe in a compost or vermicompost or soil media. And in this double petal also there are lots of seed pods. People always tell me that double petal their seed pods do not develop, but today I am showing you there are seeds, lots of seeds here inside. These are the 2 seeds here, 3 seeds are there in this pot. But one thing is clear, that from in comparison to the single petal, double petal seed pods develop lesser. And here the soil mix I have taken. This is the vermicompost, cow dung compost, and leaf mold in equal proportions. If you want, you can take 50% cow dung compost, 50% vermicompost, or 50% cow dung compost, 50% garden soil. And just see, this is the seeds I am collecting, totally dried up seeds, beautiful seeds in February, March, and April. These 3 months are ideal for growing the seeds. And in 6 to 8 days, the seed germination occurs, and in 1 month time you can transplant the seedlings, and in 1.5 month time it starts flowering. So this is the easiest and very, very easy to care, and they are not usually attacked by any fungus or insects, so you can grow easily. And after collecting the seeds, just sprinkle, sow the seeds easily, and you should maintain at least 1 inch gap, so that the seedlings can develop properly. After sowing the seeds properly, you have to cover it with the same soil media, and you have to water it properly. Keep it in semi-shade area around 6 to 7 days, 1 week time. And after the germination, you have to keep it in full sunlight because they love sunlight, they love water, they love sunlight. So you have to keep it in 6 to 7 hours sunlight or 4 to 5 hours sunlight. You must grow, and after covering it with the same soil mix, just water it and keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days. And you have to water it, sprinkle water little bit every day. You have to spray water over it, and in 6 to 7 days time you will see the sprinkle. So I'll show you the how the results. 1 month back I have grown the seeds from here. And welcome back friends. 1 month back I have sown the seeds here, and you can see the seedlings around 4 inch tall, beautiful seedlings here. Now you can transplant in 80% garden soil, 20% compost. This is the soil mix that I prepared. And in 3 inch pot there should be at least one hole at the bottom because there's water should drain out properly. And I am showing you how to transplant it. Very important thing, because if you don't know how to transplant it, the root may tear out and your plants may die. So take a old pen and just push it from the below so that no roots can tear. So this is very important. Roots should not break here, and you have to take out whole the root ball, intact roots from here, and place the plant at the center. And how I am transplanting it, just see. In a 3 inch pot I am transplanting it. I will keep it in around 15 days here, and after 15 days I will be transplanting in 8 inch pot or 10 inch pot. If you want, you can directly transplant it in directly in 10 inch, 8 inch or 10 inch pot also. Here I have pulled out 2 plants, so if you want you can grow 2 plants also in any of the pot. And I am transplanting in 2 pot, and after 15 days I will be transplanting it 8 or 10 inch pot. But if you grow in smaller pots earlier, then the plant will be very viable, very strong. So that's why we are going in small pots first, and after that we'll keep it in 15 days here in open sunlight. And after 15 days I will be transplanting in bigger pot, maybe 8 inch or 10 inch pot. If you want, you can grow these pots also, these kinds of pot. And if you want, you can grow, you should grow in a earthen pot. Earthen pot is the best for these kinds of plants, and in 1.5 month time you will see that they will start flowering. And you have to only care you have to take, you have to keep it in full sunlight, you have to water it properly every day, and you have to put some fertilizer, maybe compost, vermicompost. 1 teaspoon in once in a month is enough for growing these kinds of plant. And you have to grow machan plants, and every day you can get flowers, and you can use it in any of the puja rituals in your home, maybe Durga Mai, Krishna Bhagwan, or any of the Shiv and all. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel.